Yeah. Wow, ganda ng car nila. Kakaiba. Alright. Okay. Road trip na tayo. Airport. Let's go! Guys, punta muna tayo ng airport. Magsundo tayo ng ating guest. Okay, just ride with me. Okay guys, see you on the road. Lapit na tayo sa airport. Yan guys, maganda naman ang kalye. Bagong project nila ito. International airport din, pero maliit lang siya. Pero so far wala kang makitang mga ibang building dito. Puro disyerto paligid. Ayan guys, malapit na tayo sa airport dahil makikita na natin yung ibang airplane nakapark sa gilid. Okay, thank you for watching. Siyempre, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and Facebook page. Alright, nandito na tayo, waiting tayo sa ating guest. Bye bye, have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and follow my Facebook page. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you.